Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger beef. First, let's talk about selecting the best meat. For truly delicious burgers, aim for ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio. This balance ensures your burgers are incredibly juicy and flavorful. You can also ask your butcher for freshly ground chuck or sirloin, which provides an even better texture and taste. Choosing quality meat is the first step to a perfect burger. Next, let's season and form those patties. It's important to gently mix your chosen seasonings into the ground beef. Avoid overworking the meat, as this can make your burgers tough. For ideal cooking, form patties that are about 3/4 of an inch thick. Create a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging in the middle during cooking, ensuring an even shape. Now it's time to cook your burger to perfection. You can grill, pan fry, or broil them, depending on your preference. For a medium-rare burger, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. If you prefer medium, aim for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety, especially with ground beef. Finally, the last crucial step for a juicy burger is resting. Once cooked, let your burgers rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, keeping it moist and tender. Then, place your perfectly cooked burger on a toasted bun, add your favorite toppings like cheese, lettuce, and tomato, and enjoy your homemade delicious burger creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.